We're live and let's talk tech, fans, because sometimes the biggest game you play is right there on your Windows 11 screen. Maybe the text looks fuzzy, maybe the icons are too tiny to see either way, you're looking for a better view, and Windows has the playbook. Here's the move, you hit the Start button on the taskbar, then go straight to that settings icon. Power users, you know the hot route, Windows key plus I, and boom, you're in. From there, you're already in the system zone, and that's exactly where we want to be. Click on Display, the control room for how everything looks. Now we scroll down to Scale and Layout, and that's where the matchup is decided. Find Display Resolution, and on the right, there's a drop-down waiting like a wide-open receiver. Click it, and you see your list of resolutions. The one tagged Recommended? That's usually the MVP for your monitor, the safe bet if you're not sure. Pick a new resolution, Windows quickly switches, and then the review booth lights up, keep these changes or go back. If the text is crisp and the icons are friendly, you lock it in. If it looks off, you revert and try another option. Just a few clicks, and your screen is playing like a champion.